In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up the forecast tool in Hubspot. This setup helps you turn your deal pipeline into a clear forecast view, so you can see expected revenue, track progress, and compare results against team quotas. First, open Hubspot and go to Sales. In the top navigation bar, click Forecast. This takes you into the forecasting area, where HubSpot can summarize what is likely to close based on the deals your team is working. Next, look to the top right and click Forecast Settings. This is where you control what data the forecast is based on and how HubSpot should interpret your pipeline stages. It is worth taking a moment here because accurate settings make the forecast more reliable and easier for your team to use consistently. In the settings, find the Select an Object dropdown and choose Deals. Forecasting is typically tied to deals, since deals represent revenue and expected close dates. Selecting deals ensures the forecast pulls from your deal records rather than another object. After that, select the specific pipeline from the drop-down menu. If your portal has more than one pipeline, choose the one you want to forecast on, such as a new business pipeline or a renewals pipeline. The forecast will only reflect the pipeline you select, so pick the one your team uses for the revenue you want to track. Now map your deal stages to forecast categories, such as commit or best case. This mapping tells HubSpot how confident each stage is. For example, later stages that are close to closing usually align with commit, while earlier stages with some uncertainty fit better under best case. The goal is to match each stage to the level of confidence your team actually has, so the forecast matches real sales behavior. Next, click Manage Goals to enter quotas for each team member. Add the appropriate targets so the forecast can show performance against goals. Use the same time period your team reports on, and make sure each person is assigned the quota that matches their role. Finally, click Save in the bottom left. Your forecast tool is now set up, and HubSpot will use these settings to generate your forecast view going forward. That covers everything you need to know.